So today is Saturday morning and we are at our campsite. That's our tent and that's my uncle's tent.
This is cool.
It smells musty.
Well, it's in the middle of the woods and it's wet as fuck out here.
So we're currently still hiking, I guess, but it's very mosquito-y out here and it's really bad. How do you feel about this?
Any service?
No.
Got no service. I feel like shit.
Dad, this is a PG-13 content.
Is it?
Yeah.
I feel like
Beep. Say hi.
Hello, Julia.
Say hello.
Hello, Julia. Or should I say?
So right now it is currently 6:18. So how was your day today?
terrible.
Mom, how was your day today?
It was very relaxing, and I fell into a babbling brook.
Look like a babbling brook.
Okay, well my uncle just left so I can't ask him, but say hi to my fans.
Hello, finger.
I said fans.
Oh, I thought you said finger.
Hey guys, so it's currently the next day. It is Sunday, July 15th, my madre's birthday. How exciting. But my uncle already left and we're starting to pack up. It's 7:35 a.m. and we're gonna make breakfast. And I'm really tired. And yeah, so that's my story. Hey everybody, check out my delicious bagel. So good. 10 out of 10. Does that look cool?
No. Not really.
Okay.